Alright, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So route and route. So route is the way to go somewhere. Yeah, so let's try and get like a road. And here we are. The route. There we are. Which route should we take? Which route should I use? I will go on the longer route. Which route is more scenic? More beautiful. Yeah. Which route should we take? That route or this route? Yeah. That route will take us up the mountains. That route will take us by the sea. I want to take the longer route to Scotland, because that way I can see more of the world. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. But root then, the things that grow under a plant in the soil to absorb water and other minerals. Here we are, the roots. Let's try and get a picture. No, not quite. Okay, so here we are. Here's a plant, and the roots, here's the soil, and the roots grow underground. There we are. The roots grow underground. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? The plant has very deep roots. These roots are deep and strong. Yeah. I think the roots grow around 1 centimeter a week. These roots grow fast. The plant's roots will grow back. Yeah, over time, the roots will grow back. Just add water and wait. Yeah, wait. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So route, the way to go somewhere. That route, this route, and roots, under the soil that plants use to grow. Yeah, how cool is that? So, can you use root and roots in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.